When you have one or more white vertical line on the sheet, you can try to clean the laser scanner unit. If the laser scanner unit is dirty, part of the laser beam can't reach the drum surface and you have a white vertical line on the page. Remove the toner cartridge. The laser scanner is here inside the printer near the drum. To clean the window of the laser scanner unit, you can use a cotton swab, better if dampened with isopropyl alcohol. There should be toner powder, paper or dust. This is a dismantled printer to show you where is the laser scanner. The laser scanner is this one. This is a window of the laser scanner, the part that you have to clean. To clean it is not necessary to dismantle the printer. I remove it only to better show you the procedure.